yes, I've got Matthias on my other
Yeah.
side.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, today we've got a very interesting topic here, turbocharging your trading career with strategy development. A lot of texts, unfortunately, less charts and picks for examples, but we will go through. And by the end, let me show you a present from my side to you attendees, and this could be very, very interesting for you.
I'm so excited because I don't know anything about it.
Yes, you will see it. You will see it, Matthias. Good.
And to all of you, if you have any questions during the webinar, please use the chat box and I will have an eye on it so that we will answer this as soon as possible.
Yes, and by the end of the webinar, we will show you also our email address. So if you've got further questions, then you can contact us anytime. So at first, of course, the risk disclaimer, we don't take any liabilities. And yes, this is no, I think, yeah, how do you say that? No order to buy or sell anything from our side. If you've got questions regarding this, by the end, we will show you the email address and you can contact us anytime. Good. So let's start turbocharging your trading career with a strategy development. It's very, very important.
Sorry.
It was your phone?
Yeah. It's off now.
Okay, good. Yes, turbocharging your trading career with a strategy development, a very, very interesting topic. And this is important for everyone who is trading worldwide.
Mhm.
Good. What we are going through today is the content. Yes, so the content is trading with an edge. And second, the importance of a trading journal. Uh, For your information, this course, or what we are showing here today, is a very, very small part of the course, what Tradimo offers. So if you're interested to see the whole course, let me copy and paste the link where you can see the whole course. And there you will see, of course, other chapters like which time frame to trade on, or how to develop a trading strategy, or what data to record in a trading journal, everything. So there you will get a chance to see, yes, to watch in the course. So this is the link where you can see the whole course. We took only a small part, only 2 chapters, trading with an edge and the importance of a trading journal.
And do we show the software for trading journal, Edgewonk, or we don't?
Just only one screens.
Okay. Then
Yes.
maybe on Thursday.
Yes, maybe on Thursday. Correct.
Okay.
Good. In order to be a successful trader, you need to understand that trading starts with having an edge in the markets. The biggest mistake new traders make is assuming that making sole use of things such as indicators will allow them to become a successful trader. There's much more to do it. The basis of trading starts with identifying an edge in the market. Only after you have identified an edge should you then go on to use such things as indicators to help you make trading decisions.
Mhm. So if you have some kind of edge, then searching for things that doesn't work well, and then you can improve it. And this is how development works. So maybe you can then add an additional indicator to create better results or avoid some bad mistakes. And yeah, this is how it works. And yeah,
Yes.
please continue. Sorry for interrupting.
Yes, no problem, no problem, Matthias. Everything. You can do everything with me today. Good. A trading edge in the financial markets can be described as a set of conditions that, when present, give a higher probability of a trade working than not working. An example of an edge could simply be identifying when the market is trending, in which case you base your trades on the direction of the trend. If you take trades in the direction of the trend, you have a higher possibility or probability, of producing profitable trades. So, despite having an edge, there will be losing trades as well as winning trades. Trading in the direction of a trend does not guarantee a winning trade, merely a higher probability of a trade working out. The first trade that you take in the direction of the trend could be a losing one. However, taking a series of trades in the direction of the trend is likely to result in trades that win.
Mhm. So it's always good to have a big sample size to make a decision about your trading or your improvement in trading. So don't count or make an assessment on just a couple of trades. 2 or 3 trades are losing trades, then this doesn't mean anything. So you need to be aware of a sample size that is big enough. So let's say 30 trades, at least 30 trades.
Yes, correct. Fundamentally, winning and losing trades are randomly distributed, and a trader must take multiple trades to ensure they incorporate winning ones. If you base a series of trades on an edge that you have identified, then the probability of having winning trades increases over time.
Yeah, absolutely agree.
Absolutely. Good. Very good. So this is, for example, an example. A further example of a trading edge could also be that you are able to recognize when the market is ranging, and so you can then buy at the lower boundary and sell at the upper boundary of that range. Yeah. So on the first, yes, marked red, I would say, you can take trades in the direction of the downtrend, and in the second, marked blue, you can enter by positions at the lower boundary of the range and sell positions at the upper boundary of the range.
Here's the simple edge here is to recognize what is an uptrend, what is a downtrend, and what is a sideways market. And this to recognize, to observe, this gives you an edge. And on this edge, you can base and build a strategy on.
Mm-hmm. In the other example, once you have identified an edge, the focus is how to recognize these market conditions more easily and how to trade in them. That is when you can start to seek signals from such things as indicators to provide buying and selling signals based on these conditions. The edge in the above scenario is that the price is trading in a range. The price is more likely to fall at the upper boundary and rise at the lower boundary. Based on this edge, you can use an indicator such as the stochastic indicator that signals when the price has reached the upper or lower boundary. So on the first, you can see this here on the bottom side of the chart screen. The stochastic indicates when the upper boundary has been reached, and so therefore these produces a selling signal. The stochastic, for example here on 2, the stochastic indicates when the lower boundary has been reached, and so therefore this produces a buying signal.
And we had this, I think 4 or 5 weeks ago, webinar about stochastic indicator. And yeah, this is a pretty impressive example. So stochastic indicators, I know this is not the topic of the webinar, but stochastic indicators working out pretty well in sideways markets. And this, of course, is a perfect example for it.
Yes, if you want to see, for example, our stochastic webinar, just log in on our YouTube channel, just type in Tradimo English, and then you can see the webinar once again about stochastic. Good. These trading signals are still based on probability, very important. In other words, if your indicator is producing a buy signal, then this does not mean the price will go up. It means that there is a higher probability of the price going up than going down in the current market conditions.
Yeah, this is very good that you bolded because it's very important. It is no guarantee to have an edge. It is just to give you a higher probability. And maybe this is only, let's say, 55% to 45% or something like that. But this tiny thing is what you need.
Yes, correct. More than 50% probability, you mean?
Yeah.
More than 50%. Good. The truth is, once you enter the market with any given trade, you are at the mercy of the markets. This is where a system or a strategy comes into trading. A strategy is a set of rules that you trade by, and those rules are based on identifying an edge and then trading accordingly. This means that it does not matter if the trade wins or loses, because if you trade with a strategy based on an edge, then your trading system will produce winning trades over time that will make up for the losses. Of course, this is not the whole picture because you must take into account risk to reward and money management. However, when you have an edge, you have a starting point in which you can then begin to build a system.
And of course, this is just the entering of a trade, and then you need to take care of trade management. And think this is, I would say, a kind of holy grail to manage a trade in a good manner.
Yes, correct. So there we came to the end of the first content or the first chapter of our webinar. And now we are coming to the trading journal, I
The most
think.
important thing in trading for me, to be honest.
Yes, this is really, really important. The
I
importance. Yeah.
I
Sorry.
know I know a lot of traders, and even one in our team. They are trading since years, since decades almost, and they don't have a trading journal. And I cannot understand how you can work and trade over the years without a trading journal. I think it is so important. I cannot say how important it is.
I'm absolute with you because if you don't trade without the trading journal, you can start to gamble. Go to a
Yeah.
casino. Don't waste time at the exchanges, really.
You don't know what went wrong and what went good, and therefore you cannot avoid these kind of bad trades in the future, and you cannot push your good trades in the future because you don't know what was bad and what was good. For this reason, you need a trading journal.
Yes. The importance of a trading journal. A trading journal is a record of all your trading activity. It is important to keep an accurate record of your trading results because they allow you to assess the overall performances of your trading decisions and how effective your strategy is. This information can prove critical, especially when you start to experience negative trading results. During these times, the confidence of a trader can be shaken, especially if there is no clear reasons as to why their trading results are poor. So, the first one is recording your data. For the journal to serve its purpose, it is important to record the correct data. This includes a record of all trades you have taken and an indication of how those trades have performed on an individual and overall basis. Many traders use a spreadsheet because it can be analyzed easily. A spreadsheet can be used to find useful information such as the overall profit of a series of trades, as well as the profit of individual trades. This information can be used to produce an equity chart, a chart that shows the steady rise or fall of your trading capital. When losses are occurring and doubts start to creep into your mind, a quick glance at an overall rising equity curve can restore confidence and keep you on track. So, recording your thoughts. It is possible that your judgment is affected by certain things going on in your life, which would be highlighted more clearly when going back over the journal. Recording your thoughts will also help you monitor your own personal development and trading as your experience grows. You can observe how your mindset matured and your discipline grew. So, very, very important.
Mhm. And I know you will post the URL of the link of the course.
Yes.
But so far, I have posted the course to Edgewonk, and Edgewonk is a software, a free course, is it, about trading journals. So,
Yes, we will come, of course, regarding the trading journal, some helpful tools we will show up, like Edgewonk, for example, yeah, which can help you for recording and setting up your trading journal, yeah, and visual screenshots. Taking a screenshot of your entry and exit can help you visualize how well you are adhering to your system or whether there are times when the system breaks down under certain market conditions. And today, in my opinion, I can do it with my PC. You can do it as well with your PC. Screenshots every time, and every if you have got the possibility, do it, and then you can watch out and yes, preparing for the next trades.
mhm.
Yeah, and of course, public journals. With the development of the internet, many traders are opting to record their trading activity in public journals. The advantage to this is that a trader can receive feedback, engage with other traders, as well as share and develop trading ideas. Many traders find this beneficial because they can develop their trading skills and see the progression of others as they go through the same hurdles when they begin to learn. It can also be a good way to instill discipline to consistently recording your activity because the interaction and feedback help you to maintain a positive attitude toward keep a journal.
Mhm.
So, of course, public journals. Tradimo also offers this with our premium membership. You will be a part of a trading community where you can, of course, change and your knowledge with other people with, I would say, same target to make winning trades. Yeah, over
Yeah.
the Slack channel. Yeah.
You can share and discuss your trades and other trades, and this brings you much faster forward.
Yes. Matthias told you, of course, about Edgewonk. Tradimo offers also Edgewonk to help you, for example, setting up a trading journal. And Matthias told, just confirmed, he is a trader at Tradimo, and he is trading with a real account. And when he is saying, okay, the trading journal is the most important side of a trading, and from my experience, I can really confirm this. Yeah. And today, with the internet and with the development of software systems, Tradimo is working with a company together called Edgewong, who is simply setting up for you trading journals, yeah, and fill all the points what is important to set up a trading journal, like the
Mhm.
screenshots, like the, for example, recording your thoughts, like recording your data, and other else,
Mhm.
and perfecting your trades. Edgewong is a specialized trading journal system. The Edgewong trading journal shows you when to enter trades, how to set your stops to avoid stop hunting, where to put your targets to increase the size of your winners, and which trades are not making money for you.
Mhm.
A very, very good tool which we can recommend. And now I will show you my present to all attendees to the webinar, especially for you. Yes, because we have got a very special offer. Yeah, the ultimate trading bundle that normally costs almost $700 and now for free. You get a lifetime license for a professional online trading journal Edgewong and a 12-month access to our community with trade ideas on Forex, stock, options, and futures.
I
I
didn't
think
know that.
you didn't know that. Now
Great offer.
the big question is, what shall I do?
That's not a real question, I think. The offer is really great.
The offer is absolute great. So we have got here some questions from Firas. Trading journal shows you where the strength and weakness points of your trading system strategy.
I think it
Perfect.
was
Yes.
more a
Ah,
statement.
yes. Ah, it was only a statement. Sorry. Sorry, Miras. Okay. So people are asking right now what I have to do to get this bundle that normally costs $700. There's only one simple thing, or two simple things. What to do is open an account at our partner XM, deposit $100, and you will get it for free. Can you imagine? It's very simple.
But it's only for the first 99.
Yes,
Okay.
it's limited on 99 licenses and only valid for the next 5 days. Yeah. And I think, yeah, the next 5 days. Today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes. By the night of Sunday, it would end. And yes, and it's limited on 99 licenses. And unfortunately, this offer is only for clients located in Europe, in the European Union.
Okay, just to mention it for the video recording. So Sunday means it is the 25th of August,
Yes,
2019.
yes.
If you watch this video later, then you don't have any chance.
So this is the reason why why I will upload these as soon as possible tomorrow on our YouTube channel, and most of the people get the chance to see our, I would say, our present for all our customers and potential customers.
Great.
Yes.
I like it.
So it's up to you. Yeah. So you will get a chance to open or getting the bundle of yes, of a worth of $700 and just open an account at XM within 5 days, deposit $100 or €100, and then you will get it.
Mhm.
Yes. If I already have an account which isn't funded, can I still receive this offer?
Is it a live account or a demo
Yes, it's a
account?
live account. So Sam is asking, he has got an account with XM, and Sam, got a question. Did you open this XM account over Tradimo or just One moment. Let me send once again the link where you can open the account at XM with the link of Tradimo.
So far,
One
I
moment.
know there are 3 requirements. So you need to be a first new live account customer,
Mm-hmm.
and the account needs to be opened through our link.
Yes.
And then you need to have, you need to make a deposit. These are the 3 requirements we have.
Yes. Thanks, Matthias. This is very important. I copied and pasted the link where you can open this account. And after you deposited the account, just send us an email to support@tradimo.com. I will show it to you once again in the webinar by the end. And then you will get your lifetime license for H1, your trading journal. And we showed you the importance of a trading journal. Yeah. So everyone who is not using a trading journal, sorry,
Um,
but
I have a question here. Sorry, maybe this is not the right place, or it is. No idea. So they write us an email and they mention EdgeBank or what?
they have to write us an email that they opened the account at exam and deposited $100 or €100, and they wanted to have the H1 license.
Okay, perfect. That the people know it.
That's all.
Okay.
Yes. So, and the importance of H1, yes, we showed it to you, for example, regarding the trading journal. If you don't use a trading journal in general, yeah, for the trading, sorry, then it's really wasting of time. Really wasting of time to trade at the exchanges. Then you can gamble at the casino. That's my opinion. Okay. If you have got further questions, also regarding the offer, just write it as an email to support@tradimo.com. And yes, I would appreciate if you could take a little bit time after the webinar to also leave a rating. Yes, if was it okay, or if it wasn't not okay, and also suggestions for the next topics what you're expecting.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't see any further questions.
Yes. You don't see any further questions. I too. Okay. Matthias,
Yeah.
yes, we have to talk tomorrow lately about the next topics.
Okay, you can make me some suggestions, or
Okay.
it is up to you. So maybe you are the main presenter here, and I don't want to make any things to do by you, and you don't want to do it. So
Okay, no problem. Okay, thanks all at first. Yeah, really, just take the offer of Edgewonk and Tradimo. It's a very one-time deal, one-time offer from our side, and to present from our side to you. And yes, if you have got questions, support@tradimo.com. Once again, I would appreciate if you can take a little bit time after the webinar to leave us a rating. And yeah, I hope to see you soon.
yeah, have a nice
Thanks.
evening, guys. Bye.
Nice evening. Thanks, Matthias. Bye.